Happy Friday, guys. I am starting something a little different. I just had the idea for this and I went with it for this week. It was just something I was in the mood for. I have been on the hunt for new spring clothes. I don't know, something about the spring just makes me feel like I want new items and new clothes and new colors and all of that. So I decided I was going to pick one store and go and choose items specifically from that store, try them on, create some outfits, and let's see how they go. Today, I am picking all items from j.crew Factory. Now, I personally have better luck at j.crew Factory than the traditional j.crew store. No idea why. Something about their fit just works better for me. And so I decided to go with them. Plus, it doesn't hurt that I have one here locally. So I went into store, picked out some outfits. I'm going to start with this jean jacket first. So this jean jacket, I love a good jean jacket. I got it in a size medium. I will say I probably should have gone with a large. I thought the medium would be good because of the length, and it has enough room. It has a good amount of stretch to it. I just like a little bit bigger of a feel or a little bit more oversized of a feel. The color's great. It stays up great. I do always roll the sleeves of my jean jackets. I don't own one jean jacket that I wear with the sleeves down. I did like the color of this one. It's a little bit darker. I have a lot of lighter ones, and then I have like a black one and a white one. It does have pockets, which is really nice. And then this tee that I have on underneath, this is actually called the Essential Tee. They have this tee in every color you can think of. I'll actually take the jacket off and just show you real quick the sleeve length. It's got a good length. This is very comfortable. Again, it has a lot of stretch to it, so if you want that stretch, these are great tees for that. So then we are also going to take a look at these pants here. I love kind of a striped shirt with a jean jacket anyway. Gives that kind of nautical look. And these pants are called the sailor pants. How cute is this great little button detail right through here? You can button and unbutton it. These are actually called the sailor pants. And these pants are actually more of an ankle length. They're kind of in a cream color. They're not white, but they're not really a beige either. They're just a nice cream color. I do, as I mentioned, love the detail here. It's kind of a little bit of a brown undertone to it, which works well with the wedges. None of the shoes are from the store as well, by the way. They are all just ones that I already owned or that I've recently picked up. So this is outfit number one. Very nautical feeling, very New England feeling. These pants are super comfy, very easy to throw on and look put together. Another great option, I love a good chambray shirt, chambray, whichever word you use, and j.crew makes amazing ones. They're so soft. It's just, some of them you get are a little stiff. This one is just so soft, so comfortable. Throw it back on with those same pants, like you've got a whole look going on here. You literally can just put this together, change that shirt out, and it looks great. It's simple, it's comfortable. I really like this look. This is probably even more of a favorite than the last one. I do also want to mention that you can actually just switch up the shoes for a pair of sandals. I actually just recently got these and I didn't think I was gonna love them as much as I do. They are just so comfortable. They're a great pair you can throw on and dress something up a little bit or dress it down, but you can just change the whole look to being a little bit more casual by changing the shoe. Next up, I kept this same shirt on, and I love a good pair of white denim. So I tried these on. They are in a size 31, which is my typical size. Now, I will say they have a lot of stretch to them. Like, they are way too big on me. And I'm gonna back up and show you, I don't love the length. I just don't love something about the length of these because it hits at my ankle, but if I stand up straight, it's kind of just, it's not quite long enough and it's not quite short enough to show off the shoes. It does have a button fly. It is a straight leg jean. It has pockets. As I mentioned, it has a lot of stretch. Like, they've got a lot of stretch to them. These I would definitely suggest to size down in, which might help the length just a little bit. I do have a higher shoe on with this because when I put the flats on, it looked very frumpy. Wanted to show you real quick what it looks like with those flat sandals on. It just When you are hippier and wider through here, when it cuts off at that length, it just makes you look very boxy and very square. It doesn't give me any shape. So these jeans, unfortunately, are a no-go. Next, I kept this same shirt on and I threw on a pair of shorts. Now, j.crew and j.crew Factory are both known for their chino shorts, so I wanted to give them a try because I don't remember the last time I had tried them. I have a couple thoughts. First of all, I love the color. I absolutely love the color. I love the length of it. I don't love where it sits. My belly button is up here. That's almost a low rise to me. I don't love that. I did size up to a 12. I'm typically an 8, a 10, sometimes a 12. I'd rather in shorts go up a size so I don't get that like muffin top look. And they are tight. They are tight. Also, the pockets, the way they're cut, bulge out on the sides, which just draws more attention and makes me look even wider. Unfortunately, these are a no-go for me. Next up, I picked up this super cute top, and it comes in a bunch of different colors, has a cute little puff sleeve, has an eyelet detail, it is a button down. I probably would kind of do some sort of front tuck with it. Wear it with a different pair of white jeans because, as I mentioned, I don't love these, but I really do think this top is so cute and so darling. How fun is this? I love the color. Ooh, this would be great for this weekend for Easter. Next up, I got this top. It's actually called a sweater shell. You can get a matching cardigan to go with it. These are amazing. It's so well made. The material is so nice. It's not like a heavy sweater, but it's not like a t-shirt. It actually looks really expensive because of the detailing. You can see through here where the stitching is different in on the sleeves and down at the bottom than the main part of the top. I have it on again with those white jeans, but I actually got it to go with a pair of shorts. Let's look at those. So I actually got this top to go with these shorts, and these are the first bottoms that I have actually liked so far that I've gotten. This is actually an elastic drawstring, and it does have a tie right through here, but they actually are very flattering on. They're super comfy. They're like wearing like PJ pants. They do have pockets here, none on the back. Very comfortable, very easy to wear. This might be something that I could wear at Disney that's just so I won't be too hot but still feel comfortable. These are super lightweight, and I think these came in a bunch of colors too. I just like that chambray look to it. Next up, I got a pair of jeans. Now these are called the Slim Cut Boyfriend. I don't consider these slim cut. I mean, I don't know. I'm not having good luck with bottoms with them there. I did throw it on. Again, it has that wider look. I would like a slimmer leg, like just going, not like a skinny jean, but just a little bit slimmer. I could take these and like do this, and it would give me a little bit more ankle. I think sometimes when I see ankle, it looks a little bit better. They do fit well. They are not, they're a little big actually. I take that back. So these are 31. So in these, you might want to size down in both of their jeans, but they're shorts, you might have to size up. I got a cute little utility jacket. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I found this white utility jacket, and it's super stretchy. I got it in a size large. Maybe I should have gone down to a size medium. Again, I always unbutton and roll my sleeves on jackets. This actually is so comfy. I'm not sure I loved this in the store. It does zip and button. It has pockets to it. This, I love when a collar's up, but this keeps flopping in. I don't know what I think of that. It's cute. It's so lightweight. But it's like, I think it's because it's, oh, wait. Look at that. There we go. So maybe it won't, there we go. It doesn't have that. It had a very boxy feel to it. I probably have to like even this out just a little bit. That's so much better. Okay. This is cute, guys. I love a good utility jacket. This is cute. Now I just have to figure out this part up here. But how cute is this little jacket? It's so fun. It's so lightweight. It's great for summer. This is cute. I have to work with it a little bit, but once you get it figured out, I think it's gonna look so cute on because it's gonna actually be a little bit more tapered in through the back here. This is a cute one. So I love a good white basic tee, so I wanted to give theirs a try. I had gotten it in the stripe, but I also got it in a white tee. They are not see-through. I love the neckline. It's not too close and it's not too far. Sleeves are good length. It has a good amount of stretch to it. You guys seen my trick where you do this? So you can take it through a loop of your jeans and then tuck it in here. And it looks much more fitted. Super easy hack for a t-shirt. This is actually a really good basic tee. I like it. I've never tried their basic tees. All right, we are winding down. I love a good gauzy button down. They're just so comfy and so nice. And this color is so good. This color works no matter what your skin tone is. Now I will say I probably would kind of like pull this up, do like a half tuck with it. I love these type of shirts because you can throw them on over a swimsuit as a cover up. You can wear them with shorts. They have this in a ton of colors. It's got stretch to it. It's so comfy. I absolutely love this shirt. This winding it down with the last option is this super cute top. I got it in white. I almost got it in the chambray color, but I remember I have one from last year that was similar. They had a plaid one. This one's kind of like a little bit of a textured one. They had a bunch of different colors in it. How stinking cute is this? You could wear it with shorts, you could wear it with jeans, you could dress it up, you could dress it down. I love the sleeve detail. I mean, look at this. How stinking cute is that little sleeve detail? This is just so fun, so easy to wear, and that little detail makes it look like it's so much more expensive than it really is. They have such great pricings at j.crew Factory, and everything when I was in store, I think was on sale. So you will have seen all the pricing information. However, if you are interested in any of the information, check the links down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this and have a great weekend.